Hi, and welcome to Amber in the Kitchen. I wanted to show you real quick and kind of do a little bit of an experiment. But cabbage, so this is a rough chop dice type cabbage. And then I've got my thinly sliced rough chop cabbage as well. And we're going to roast them simultaneously in the oven and see what happens when you cut your cabbage differently. I'm pretty sure that my thinly sliced is going to get a little more of like a char crisp to it, and my squared up ones will probably just get soft. I don't expect them to get very like crunchy at all. So we'll see. But let me adjust my camera again real quick so you can see the bowl. And I'm just doing very simple olive oil. You just do a little drizzle in there. Enough to coat every piece of cabbage, but not enough to make it be left over on the bottom much. And then we're gonna take a good sized pinch of salt and a small pinch of pepper. Okay, so I usually use maybe twice as much salt as I do pepper. And then you're just gonna mix it. You don't have to do this with your hand if you don't like to get messy. You can use tongs, that'll work just fine. And then we're gonna have our roasting pan. Okay, now I'm going to roast these in the oven at 425, so a little bit hot, and I'm going to spread them out thinly so they don't overlap very much, and hopefully we'll get some good results here. I expect this to take anywhere between 20 minutes to 45 minutes depending on the doneness level that I'm looking for. 20 minutes will be soft and definitely edible, but I like to get a little bit of a crispy edge to my roasted veggies, so I'm going to put it in a little bit longer, and I will clip the results to the end of this video. I'm going to try some video editing, guys. Look out! Well, guys, I was wrong. My cube square ones got a lot more charred than my long stranded ones. So that's kind of interesting. I guess because these maybe are closer together. Sorry about the bad videography here, guys. So these are done after 20 minutes. I'm very happy. These are maybe even a little bit too done, but that's all right. Experiment done. If you want extra crispy, go for the small dice. And the stranded one's not so much. There you go. But this is a simple recipe. Anybody can do this, you guys. Anybody can do this. If you are feeling adventurous, I love to put balsamic vinegar, like with my olive oil when I coat it before I bake it in the oven, roast it. Oh, so good. So good. It also works if you drizzle it on top afterwards, but it's not as delicious. Okay, I hope you guys try this and let me know if you like it or not. This is a really basic, simple cabbage recipe. Anybody can do. It's going to be coming into fall here soon, and this can be a wonderful addition as a side dish to any dinner. All right. Well, I'll see you around. Bye.